Giraffe gift card redemptions usually fail when reward verification doesn't sync properly with Google Play services, or when account eligibility checks don't pass in real time. That's why you can see enough coins, but the redemption button either fails or never completes. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons gift card redemption fails in Giraffe, and the fixes that actually get rewards to go through. First thing to check is your coin balance eligibility. Giraffe only allows redemption when your balance meets the minimum threshold for a specific gift card. If you're even slightly under, the redemption can fail without a clear error message. Make sure you're selecting a reward you fully qualify for before trying again. Next, restart the app and your phone. Giraffe relies on a live connection to Google Play services to validate redemptions. If that connection glitches, the app can show your coins correctly but fail when converting them into a gift card request. A full restart refreshes that verification process. Now, check your internet connection. Gift card redemption is a real-time transaction. If your connection switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data during the request, the process can fail instantly. Switching to a stable single connection and retrying often fixes the issue. After that, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Giraffe, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that can block reward submission requests. If it still fails, clear storage and log back in. That resets the redemption session completely. Also make sure Giraffe is fully updated. Older versions can have broken reward endpoints that prevent gift card requests from going through. Updating the app ensures your redemption request matches their current system. Another important step is checking Google Play services and the Play Store. These services handle authentication for reward apps. If they are outdated or restricted, redemption requests can fail, even if everything inside Giraffe looks normal. If the problem continues, reinstall the app. Delete Giraffe, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store. This rebuilds your device ID connection used for reward verification. Finally, there are cases where redemptions fail due to server-side delays or temporary reward processing issues. In those situations, waiting a few hours and trying again usually resolves it without any changes on your side. To sum it up, failed gift card redemptions usually come from eligibility issues, broken Google Play services sync, or unstable connections during processing. Fixing those three areas resolves most cases. Start by confirming your coin balance, then move through connection and cache fixes before reinstalling. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and Android issues.